Get cozy this winter with this Knit Look ribbed neck warmer. You can whip this up in just an hour or two. So today I'm going to be using this Emu Classic Tweed Chunky and a 6mm hook. So for an adult size neck warmer, you're going to want to chain 35. Now if you want to make a different size, all you need to do is make your chain just a little bit more than twice the height you want your neck warmer to be. I'm just going to make a small swatch today to show you how to crochet. So I'm going to start by putting a half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a half double crochet into each chain all the way across. So if you're making the adult size, you will have a total of 34 half double crochet. Now we're now going to turn. We're not going to chain one. We're not going to make a starting chain. We're just going to turn. And then I'm going to put a single crochet into this first stitch. And then I'm going to stack another single crochet on top. So you just put your hook through that first leg of the stitch and then put single crochet. Now normally this would count as a double crochet, but we're using it in the place of the half double crochet today. So try not to make your stitches too long. Now from now on, we're going to start working into the back bar of the half double crochet stitches from the previous row. So if you look at the front of the stitches, this is the front of the stitch, and this is where we normally work. You normally put your hook through both the loops here in this part of the stitch. But we're actually going to work in the back bar, which is on the back of the stitch. And it's this horizontal bar you can see here. So I'm going to put my hook under the horizontal bar and just work a half double crochet as normal. And you're going to do this all the way across. So just going under that horizontal bar. This is sometimes also known as the third loop. Now keep going until you get to the end of the row. And once you get to that last stitch, we're going to put this last half double crochet into the stitch as normal. This will help keep the ends a bit tidier. And then we're going to turn the single crochet into that first stitch and then put a stack stitch on top. And now we're just going to repeat the previous row. So we're going to put half double crochets in that back bar all the way across until we get to that last stitch. So, and again into that last stitch, we're going to put half double crochet into the stitch as normal, going through both those loops. And then we'll just turn and we'll start with the stack stitch again. So that's a single crochet into the first stitch, another single crochet stacked on top, and then half double crochet into the back bar of each stitch all the way across until the last stitch, where you will half double crochet into the last stitch. And you're just going to repeat that row until your piece is as long as you want it to be. So basically it's going to go around your neck. This is from the top to bottom. This bit will be rolled over, so this bit is going to be the length that will go around your neck. So you're going to keep crocheting this until it is big enough to go around your neck comfortably. Now how big you want this to be depends on what style of a neck warmer you want. You can have it quite fitted around the neck like a polo or a turtleneck, or you can make it a bit bigger and have it more of a cowl neck. It's really up to you. I will go ahead and add a few more rows and then show you how you'll finish off your neck warmer. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added a few more rows, so you will keep going until your neck warmer is as wide as you want it. Now all you do next is just fold your piece over so that you've now got foundation edge here and then your final edge here. So we're just going to join these together. So for the first stitch, we're just going to put a hook into that first stitch and then go into that first stitch on the foundation edge and then slip stitch. Now for the next one, we're going to go through the back bar of the stitch and then the next stitch on the foundation edge and slip stitch, and we're going to repeat that all the way across, going through the back bar, picking up that next stitch, slip stitch. So we're going to do this all the way across until you get to that last stitch, and you can work through both the loops and slip stitch into that last stitch and fasten off. So once you've fastened off and woven in all of your ends, all you do then is just fold it over. I know this looks really tiny, the smallest neck warmer in the world. And your finished neck warmer should look something like this. And if you're looking for more cozy accessories, then check out my other videos right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.